Hi there, I'm Prescott Finn. I specialize in developing custom solutions related to enterprise software and IT training. Right now, in March of 2019, I'm on the job hunt looking for a position in pre-sales. But what is pre-sales? Technology companies will generally have developers or engineers who build the product, be it hardware or software as a service. And then over here, you have the sales team who find buyers of whatever the developers are building. They're good at building the relationships, at really digging in to understand the customer problems, to finding the client's pain points, and then packaging a solution to that problem. And after a lot of back and forth and persuasion and negotiation, bam, they close the sale. And in a world of nearly identical customers with all virtually the same problems, that's all you would need, the sales team and the engineers. But cookie-cutter solutions don't give the competitive edge because companies stay in business by differentiating themselves. So each customer is going to have highly specific needs when it comes to the technology that keeps them chugging along. And that's where pre-sales comes in. People in this role go by a number of titles. Sometimes they're called a sales engineer or a solutions engineer or a solution architect. This person ties it all together to make sure that whatever the client eventually buys is going to actually solve the problems they're experiencing and is going to do so in a way that fits in seamlessly with the way they do business. And that's no easy task because it means knowing the right questions to ask, understanding the industry well enough and the technology well enough to make meaning of everything that comes up in the process of discovery. And that means meeting with the client to understand how they do business, what's working well, what's missing, where are the bottlenecks in this process, 100 other questions in order to get a clearer view of the way the client operates, what technologies they're using, and then when your offerings can be of the most help to the client. They review internal documents and training materials to understand the company's internal processes as they are documented. They do one-on-ones to have employees throughout the organization walk them through how they currently get their job done. And this is interesting because it can shed some light on workarounds to problems which any formal process documentation isn't addressing. And then they distill all of this into a set of customer requirements which address the problems that the customer is facing and can be solved by whatever technologies the sales team is selling. They build demos, sometimes live, but often using some mock-ups to show the client how the technology can be tailored to meet their unique needs and to answer the client's questions along the way. And if all goes as it should, the demo will help the client really feel the value that the end product will bring so that the sales team can close the sale and everyone is better off as a result. And that's where I fit in. I spent the last 3 years contracting with a company which does implementation and customization of Sugar CRM, a popular customer relationship management system. So things like collecting requirements, building and running demos, fielding questions, occasionally doing a little training, sometimes doing some troubleshooting, really anything necessary to set the sales team up to close and to make sure that the clients get a sound, solid solution to whatever their technology-related issues are. That's where I do my best work, and that's what I can bring to your organization. I'm using this channel to post videos which highlight the work that I do and will hopefully be useful to those interested in pre-sales and enterprise software as well. If you're looking for someone with my set of skills, I encourage you to reach out. You can find me on LinkedIn at linkedin.com/in/PrescottFinn or on Twitter at PrescottFinn, or via my website, prescottfinn.com/demo as well. Thanks so much for watching.